Welcome to the temperate deciduous forest. The temperate deciduous forest is characterized by trees which lose their leaves, making them deciduous trees. You can find temperate deciduous forests all over the world, but specifically in the eastern half of North America, the southern tip of South America, the middle of Europe, and various parts of Asia. Some typical abiotic features of a deciduous forest include bodies of water like rivers and streams. Also, rainfall is a major component of this biome, which we'll talk about more later. Strong winds are another abiotic feature, helping the trees lose their leaves, and softer winds help spread pollen to fertilize plants. In terms of temperature, which we will also touch on more later, the deciduous forest experiences distinct seasons, which affect both the plants and animals of this biome. When looking at North American deciduous forests, there are many native plants, including the American beech, carpet moss, common lime, lady fern, and white oak. A major adaptation of trees in the deciduous forest is the production of broad, lightweight leaves to help capture the sunlight to produce food through photosynthesis. When it gets cold, the leaves expose too much surface area to water loss and damage, so deciduous trees adapt by losing their leaves. Their leaf also changes color because during the fall, the leaves are unable to produce chlorophyll, which makes their leaves green. When the amount of chlorophyll being produced goes down, the leaves change to red, yellow, or gold. Some examples of native animals include the American bald eagle, the duck-billed platypus, an eastern chipmunk, the white-tailed deer, and the least weasel. Some adaptations of animals in this biome include migration and hibernation. A wide variety of birds migrate during the winter season to warmer locations, and many mammals hibernate during the winter when food supplies are lower. Another adaptation that many animals have is food storage, so some animals will gather nuts and seeds that are abundant in the summer and store them in the hollows of trees to save them for the winter. One deciduous forest that you can visit right here in the United States is the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, found in between North Carolina and Tennessee. Looking for some beautiful views? Well, you've come to the right place. Fun fact, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park has more than 800 miles of hiking trails. Climb up high and you can see the beautiful forest canopy down below you. This also provides an excellent opportunity for bird watching and other animal watching. Also, the Great Smoky National Park is known for its wonderful camping opportunities. There are multiple campgrounds set up all around the national park, and you can stay right outside and experience the deciduous forest on your own. While you're visiting the Great Smoky Mountains, we recommend that you visit Katie's Cove. Katie's Cove is a beautiful valley in the middle of the national park that's perfect for biking, hiking, bird watching, and more. You should definitely stop by and take it out. Take a look at it. The views are beautiful.
When choosing what to pack when you visit the temperate deciduous forest, keep in mind that the average precipitation is 30 to 60 inches. So bring a raincoat. Also, the average temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can fluctuate, so make sure to bring layers. The best time to visit the temperate deciduous forest is during spring, so April to June. Other things to make sure to pack are hiking boots or some good sneakers because of the uneven terrain in the temperate deciduous forest, and safety is key. A primary threat to the temperate deciduous forest is logging. Logging is a serious threat to the habitat of a critically endangered species, red wolves. A keystone species in this biome is the white-tailed deer. A keystone species is a species in which other species in this ecosystem rely upon heavily. The white-tailed deer eats lots of different plants and helps keep population in check and prevents forest overgrowth. Climate change for this biome would result in species that are used to the mild temperate climate to either have to adapt immediately or to die out, which is more likely.
In America, as more people have become aware of the effects of logging on our forests and environments, more sustainable forest management practices have been established in our country to ensure that we are protecting our forests and our species. The temperate deciduous forest biome is all across the world and provides a home for many different species of animals. It is our job to help protect those animals and protect the space that they're living in by ensuring that we are not overusing those areas, because temperate deciduous forests do give us supplies like wood and timber. Also, the trees that make up the temperate deciduous forest have and play a huge role in ensuring that our air is clean and safe for us to be around. So it's really important that we protect these trees and protect the animals that are living in them as well. We're all connected because we're all on the same earth together.
Make sure to use our travel agency to visit the temperate deciduous forest soon.